A recent research has revealed that the longer dosing interval between COVID-19 vaccine doses is linked with 9 times greater immune response. According to a study presented at the European Congress of Clinical Microbiology and Infectious Diseases, the antibody level in the blood samples taken from about 6,000 healthcare workers from across the United Kingdom was measured. Each participant in the investigation was grouped as having COVID-19 infection history or infection naive, means no infection history. In the analysis, the researchers explored that those having a history of infection were not affected by the longer dosing interval between dose 1 and dose 2. In fact, they discovered that those among this group who received dose 1 8 months after getting infected showed 7 times more antibodies in their blood as compared to those in the same group who received dose 1 3 months after the exposure. On the other hand, the members of the infection-naive group developed more antibodies in their blood, provided that the dosing interval between dose 1 and 2 is prolonged. It was also found out that the younger participants showed more pronounced effect. The researchers additionally claimed that, regardless of the timing between infection and vaccination, all the individuals possess a very high antibody response after dose 2. Furthermore, female participants and those from ethnic minority were found to have significantly higher antibody level. Whereas immunosuppression was associated with significantly lower post-vaccination antibody responses. In conclusion, we can assume that those who were previously exposed to the infection should get dose 1 of COVID-19 vaccine 8 months after the exposure. For those who are infection naive, extending the dosing interval between dose 1 and dose 2 of COVID-19 vaccine is the best strategy. However, further research is needed to determine whether these higher antibody levels provide greater protection against COVID-19 disease and how this longer dosing interval may affect booster responses.